Look what Santa brought these guys.
Ooh, what is it? Whoa! What
Go! Look, what's it say? What's it say?
No Contains one Suzuki Samurai survival kit.
Contains one first aid kit.
Get them all up to the bottom so you don't wreck the wording. Yeah, get your knife out so they can open them up.
I bet you I got you joints.
Hold on, Mike, hold on.
Greg used NASCAR duct tape.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Go ahead.
Why is yours blue? I even got Ford blue. Mike's is a boy.
Mike's is Ford blue.
Hey, Greg.
Thank you, Greg and Lauren.
Thank you, but the only thing is I don't have any place to put it. Oh, I'm sure you'll find it.
Oh, I know where it goes. Very nice.
Samurai First Aid Survival Kit.
That's a survival kit.
Or White Man's Lip Ring.